Hello, I'm Mark, and welcome to the new showroom we have here in Malaysia. I've been dealing with Wood-Mizer here in Malaysia and region for the past 16 years. So now we have a place to show some of the machines, not all, there are so many, but some. This Wood-Mizer LT15 comes with quite a number of different versions, automation, engine options, and so on. What we have here is quite a unique special design. We called it LT15 Power, but even the Power version comes with various options. This one is very popular in Russia. I hear it's been sold in hundreds over there. And if you have any impression how Russian conditions are with the very severe winter and excessively remote locations where repair and maintenance is not easily achieved. So this is what this is designed for that. So this is an electric version, and the control panel here is a rather simple one. We don't have the setworks computer, but there's a place for that if one likes it. Also the debugger is optional here. We got the running hour meter, and this is something that I have personally influenced in getting Wood-Mizer in these machines. This is an Ampere Meter, and it indicates how much power is going to the blade. So that indicates if the blade is getting dull or the wood is getting very tough, using more power. Here's the up and down system. So the saw head is electrically adjustable with these up and down buttons and fine adjustments from this knob here. We have the scale here in both centimeters and millimeters and imperial inches. So what makes this so special are a few features. Especially, to start with, it has a bigger motor. It's 11 kilowatts. Wood-Mizer standard is 7.5 kilowatt. This has a push system, so there's no power feed, mechanical crank or motor. You just push it there. But we have installed only one segment here, but you can see that it actually moves very smoothly. Basically with one finger you can push and pull it. I've noticed that the LT15 we deliver in Malaysia, they all have either an electric or hand crank system, but I noticed that operators actually prefer to push it. So you can push this unit now from both sides. There was somebody in the YouTube who said that Wood-Mizer operating table should be on this clean side. The sawdust is pushed from right to left here, it gets into your feet here, but you can equally push this from the other end. The advantage of pushing this rather than using the mechanical drive is that you get the feeling of how tough the wood is. If there's a hard spot, you can feel it, you start sweating, or if the blade is getting dull. So you get a better understanding what's happening. If you have a powered system, it just keeps pushing it through the wood, and if you keep going, this may lead to a breaking of the blade. The other interesting features here is that it has a very strong bed. So instead of this typical L-shaped beams, side beams, this has a very thick and high plate. It actually comes from this new LX Wood-Mizer models. And also the clamping system is simplified. So you have this typical clamp here, but on the same axle you have the backrest. This makes the design very much simpler and easy for assembly and maintenance. And inside, it's all typical. There's nothing new here. We got perhaps a wider motor belt here, so this is heavy duty. And but the blade wheels are exactly as we know it from earlier versions. Otherwise, the machine is same old stuff. We have one lock clamp here, and I prefer this all metal one. It's a bit heavier, but with the heavy hardwoods we have in Asia, the wooden ones tend to break, or men are here too strong. And the rest is about the same. Plate tightening here is a hydraulic system. This used to be a rubber pad here, but now we have a clear hydraulic meter showing that what the proper blade tension should be. The blade arm is manual. Electric is an optional, and it's built a bit more robust with this hydraulic looking cylinder. Simple, affordable.